send it up. In this video, I'm going to be flying my drone throughout Las Vegas, specifically the Old Henderson area, and it's kind of where I do my Uber Eats and DoorDash, all my gig work. And on my off time, I like to fly my drone. So these are some of the clips I got flying the new budget DJI drone that they just came out with. It's the Mini 4K. I made a previous video on it, and there's a few things I wanted to touch on because I didn't mention. For example, I mentioned that I was gonna upgrade my RC, the controller, to a one with a screen. However, I've now found out that the DJI Mini 4K does not come with that capability of getting the RC with the screen. That is something that you have to get. I think it's only compatible with the Mini 3 and above. Overall, it is a good starter drone. So for me, I think it was a good choice because the price is only around off Amazon $299, I think, with the starter kit, which is a lot cheaper than the bigger drones. And since it is my first drone, I'm pretty happy with it. I'm like thrilled that the results I've gotten out of this drone, and I'm very excited to use it once I get back to Thailand. If you guys don't know, I'm currently studying in Thailand, and I'm going to be using this drone a lot once I get back. I'm just here in Vegas for the summer and visiting family, doing work, so I can record more videos when I get back. I want to do more traveling. I want to do interviews and just start making more content for you guys. I would also like to mention that I just got a new bag I'd like to show you guys. I got this new bag to put all of my stuff in, so I would like to show y'all. So this is the bag I'm going to be using from now on. It is a Mosiso bag, and the reason I am using this bag is because of the way you can store things. Keep my DSLR right there. I have all my accessories. And here I got my drone in there, controller, my Ace Pro, some batteries for my Ace Pro. Got a battery for my DSLR, all types of accessories, and all types of like straps and all this stuff for the camera, tripods. SD cards are in here, and then up here you got extra wires and all that stuff. It's waterproof. I got it off Amazon. It's around $60. I know a lot of people spend a lot of money on camera bags and stuff, so I was kind of going on a just kind of going on luck, hoping this would be good. It is pretty good since, the last camera bag I had was, or not, I wouldn't call it a camera bag. It was just a basic backpack. It was a super dry backpack. I think I might have already threw it away because of how sick I was with it. All the zippers were broken. It is a good backpack, but when you drop it, the material can eat anything inside, can easily break. Everything's kind of on top of each other, and it's just a hassle. Every time I would open it, things would fall out. So it is very nice to finally have the Mosiso. I'm not sponsored, by the way. I'm just showing you guys my new setup and what I'm going to be traveling with. So one of the things that I want to talk about with this camera is the fact that you should get the warranty. If you're going to get even the starting base, this camera is my first drone, and within it was probably the first 20 days of me flying, I had an accident and I got a full replacement because I got the warranty with DJI, and I got a free replacement sent. It just disconnected. I couldn't control it anymore. Just completely was disconnected from the GPS and the phone, and just continued straight until it hit a house, and I had to go get it, and it wouldn't turn off, so I had to pull the battery out, and I cut myself a little bit, but that was also a little bit my fault. I should have been flying where I was, in that situation. That's why I advise people to get the warranty, because at first, I thought it was pretty easy, and it is easy at times, but you might get into an accident sometimes that is out of your control. Therefore, you should get the warranty. You get, I think, around 3 replacements with DJI, with a DJI Care, or if you order through Amazon, I think they have their own warranty service. It depends on. Now, another thing I want to talk about with this camera is the photography. On this camera, you can do RAW files as well as JPEG files. I think RAW does look better when it comes to post-processing. And I will show you guys right now what you could expect after editing your photos. I did some small edits and from the same day that I did videos. So these are the photos I got. I'll show you right now. And that is about everything I wanted to talk about with this drone. I think this is a very good starter drone because of the cheap price and the fact that it can do most of what the bigger drones can do, or it does lack some features as the controller doesn't have the screen capability, and you have to use your phone, as well as the fact that the drone doesn't come with the features like quick shots and stuff. It does have some tracking abilities, but it doesn't come with all the features that the bigger drones have. However, it comes with what you need, the necessity, which is, you know, getting that 4K shot, and it does that really well. I'm thinking of in the future getting an Evada 2 because I really want to get into FPV, and I think it would be an easier beginner drone for me to do FPV shots. Now, that is about it for this video, guys. I appreciate you guys. If you took your time out of your day to watch this, you are amazing. Hope you have an amazing rest of your day. And if you're deciding on getting this drone, if it's your first drone, if it's something you want to add to your collection of cameras, I think you should go for it. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.